Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm not in my BMW 535i today, and I'm sitting on a different vehicle. This is the loaner car because my BMW is at service center, and the clip that you just saw was from the original muffler of my BMW. I'm sure you got the idea. Well, my BMW has gone for muffler update, so I am going to install BMW M Performance muffler on my 535i. So stay tuned with us, and we're gonna show you how BMW 535i sounds with new BMW M Performance muffler. Alright guys, so my car is finally back from BMW service center. So this is how it looks. I uploaded a video a few days ago about installing carbon fiber front lip and carbon fiber diffuser. So this is how carbon fiber looks. Alright, and this is how it looks from the rear. This is carbon fiber rear diffuser, and this car was gone for oil change and BMW performance exhaust install. And I asked dealership to stick out these pipes a little bit so that M logo is visible. And this is dual tip, not quad exhaust. This is in chrome finish. It is also available in carbon fiber finish. However, it is quite expensive. So I think one piece costs you somewhere around $299, and it comes with this chrome, and then outlet is carbon fiber, so around $600, and I think that's quite expensive. Maybe I will search something on Amazon or eBay and I'll place orders, so quad tip can go along with the carbon fiber. So now I'm just gonna record the sound. this is how my 535i is after installing BMW Performance exhaust. This is 2014 model, and it has N55 engine, and I hope you like the sound. Please like, share, subscribe, and please put the comment and tell us how you felt about this video, and what's your opinion about this modification. Take care of yourself, stay safe. Until then, goodbye.